Hello everyone, it's Tana. Welcome back to the Rabbit Hole Designs YouTube channel. So today I'm going to use non-traditional items to create holiday cards. And I know the holidays are over. I meant to have this video out on the 15th of December, but I had a little visit to the hospital. So I wanted to make sure I got at least one video out this month. So I started by using the cone part of the scooped, I believe it is. I'll have the names for you on the screen. So, because it's been a while since I made the video, so I forgot the name of the stencil. And I flipped it upside down to create simple tree shapes. So then I took these, I believe they were made by Dana Joy and Christina Werner, these color combinations for the holidays for this year. And I took out two of them that I liked, and I used my Concord and 9th inks. And then I used those colors to stencil two different backgrounds, or ink blend two different backgrounds, using my bitty blending brushes, which are by far my favorite blending items right now. So here I'm showing you how I did that. I also recently purchased this Wendy Vecchi Make Art Station with a very kind gift, an Amazon gift card from a friend. So here it is. It comes in super handy, let me tell you. And then I pulled out my Nicole lowercase alpha dies, and some cardstock that matched the inks, and cut out two words that I thought were holiday related. So joyful and fa la la. And I cut them out of two different colors, but I did layer each color of cardstock behind them because originally I thought I was going to do two panels with those same colors I used on the first panel. But I decided to change it up a little bit and go with this grayish blue theme. So I pulled out these inks here, which I believe I just listed for you on the screen. And now I'm doing my second panel, which you're not going to have to suffer through the whole thing. But while you're watching me do that, I will tell you that this video was originally going to have 3 cards, because I was going to take the little bunny licking the ice cream cone from the stamp set that goes along with this stencil set. And I was going to change the ice cream cone to a light pole, a metal pole, and I was going to use a little caption bubble that said, "I triple dog dare you." Does anybody know what movie that's from? And I was going to turn that into a holiday card as well. So maybe I can try to squeeze that idea into a video soon just to see how the card turns out, but I did not have time for this video. Then I took that bunny stamp set, which once again cannot remember the name for because it's been a while since I made the video, colored both sets of bunnies according to the theme of the card they were going on, excuse me, which turned out to be about 4 different colored bunnies on each one. Then I used cardstock that would match the colors as a base or a mat behind those panels, and then I put them on their card bases. I believe one was green and one was like a dark navy, but I don't remember what the names. I think it's Midnight if it's Concord and 9th. I picked something. I didn't use Concord and 9th cardstock because it's only like 80 pound, too thin for a card base. But I did pick colors that I had in my stash that were very close to those colors. So here I'm using the ruler that comes with the art station, stay station, to make sure my letters are straight. And I'm going to glue those flat to the card front. And then I'm going to balance my bunnies on foam tape on top of the letters, so they look like they're kind of sitting as a group on top of the letters. And I think these turned out pretty cute for holiday cards. It's unfortunate that I didn't get a chance to send them out to anyone. I was super disappointed. I didn't get to send out a lot of cards that I had planned on sending out because of my little visit to the hospital. And before anybody asks in the comments, I did not have COVID. It is not COVID related. So, and there we go. I popped my bunnies there up on foam tape. This one with the word joyful was a little bit more difficult to balance out where the bunnies were going to go, because I wanted to make sure they weren't hanging in the air. But the height of the letters also made that difficult. So if you'll notice, my bunnies are more towards the left side of the card than they are centered. And that was on purpose, because they had to look like they were actually on top of something. I didn't want them just hanging there. So that's why they're where they are. I added some little sparkle gem embellishments And that's it for both cards, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't get another video out for you guys this month. I did fully intend to. Life happens. So I wish you all a very happy new year and an abundance of health. And we will see you with brand new items and brand new videos in the new year. And we all here at Rabbit Hole Designs wish you a very happy new year. Bye-bye for now, guys.